Welcome to our video guide on managing the Universal Log Report module. This tool enables you to monitor system changes and activities over a specified period, providing insights into your website's operations. Join us as we show you how to effectively use the Universal Log Report for enhanced system monitoring. Begin by installing the Universal Log Report module via the app shop in your admin area. Once installed, navigate to the Reports and Universal Log tabs. Under the Universal Log tab, utilize the Filter section to specify date ranges and select log types, tailoring the report to your specific needs. View the Universal Log reports presented as tables, featuring essential columns such as log type, admin, the name of the person making changes, related to system area, and change date. Efficiently sort information by clicking on the up and down triangle icons next to each column. For streamlined navigation through a large volume of records, customize the display by setting the record quantity per page using the drop-down list. Empower yourself with a deeper understanding of system activities and changes by effectively utilizing the Universal Log Report module. Watch our guide to optimize your system monitoring and stay ahead of potential issues.